Kahanu Garden is part of the National Tropical Botanical Garden, which is a nonprofit organization of 5 gardens. Most of them are in Hawaii. There's 3 on Kauai, this one here in Hana, and then there's one all the way in Florida. And just a real quick one about the NTBG, or National Tropical Botanical Garden. The mission is conservation, education, scientific research, and perpetuation of cultural knowledge and of historical places. And so each of those gardens, those 5 gardens, carries out that very broad mission in its own special way. Because of all of these lands that were real special village site in the ancient days, we take that mission and focus on the ethnobotany, or the connection between people, our people, Hawaiian people, and plants. We've got about 130 different varieties of ulu from all over the Pacific. So we don't just do Hawaiian stuff, but we also expand into Polynesia and the greater Pacific. But this part of the garden we're going to be touring we call it the Kahanu Garden because it features mostly the plants that came here on the canoes with our ancestors, right? So things like taro and banana, sweet potato, sugarcane, coconut, all of these things that came on the canoes are what we try to interpret in this part of the garden. And the nice thing about having this kind of interpretation about the canoe plants, and it sets the stage and it kind of sets the context for maybe understanding our people a little better, for understanding this land, for understanding Pi'ilani Hale and the historic sites that are on this place. Because of the land that this garden is on, we're in Honoma'ele. This ahupua is Honoma'ele. Because of Pi'ilani Hale, the heiau that's situated right in the middle of the garden. About 50 years ago, if we were all standing in the same place, you wouldn't even know that the heiau was there. You know, just from visual. It's totally overgrown with kukui and hala and guava and all kinds of other bush. It looked like bushes. People knew that the heiau was here, obviously. It's not something you forget easily. The coconut trees were like the marker that's where the heiau is.